This is a quick video on how to reset the replace filter indicator light on your Newport 7500 air purifier. First, turn your device off, but make sure it's still plugged in. Next, you're going to remove the 2 screws on the side of the device where the little trap door is. Once the screws are removed, go ahead and remove the panel. Push the yellow tip button until you hear a ding. Replace the panel. You do not need to reinstall the screws. Turn your device back on, and the replace filter light should be off now.